Hey there, it's Roland from ATV Oil. Today I'm getting my plow blade ready for winter. There's a few moving parts on the plow blade that need to be lubricated, need to be rust-proofed, and I've had this blade, this will be my 9th winter now using this blade, so I keep it lubed up all the time because it's an expensive blade for an ATV and I don't want to have to buy another one anytime soon, but like I said, I've been using it 9 years. And I'm going to show you what I do today. So far, I did take a wire brush and a scraper, cleaned up some old paint off of it and old grease. Now I'm going to show you what I do to prep my plow blade for the winter. Here's my plow blade that I use on my ATV. It's a Click and Go 2 plow system. So you got your blade, you got your push bar, and I have the mount underneath my ATV over there. I have a 1/4 mile driveway and I've been plowing my driveway, like I said, 9 years with this. Well, not only this ATV, I had an old Suzuki Eiger 400. And then a few years ago, I started using this CF Moto C-Force 500. And it's been great. 1/4 mile driveway. I've only had to call a plow truck once because of wet, heavy snow that was over a foot deep. So that's the only time. And I paid around 700 Canadian for this plow blade system altogether. So it served me well. I mean, I saved money by not having to get somebody come in here and plow all winter. So here's what I'm talking about. I just cleaned up a bunch of loose paint around here where it hooks up to the mount. I cleaned up here, all along here, all the rusty spots you see cleaned up. Over here, this is where the blade swivels. So I usually put grease in here, but I'm going to take AMSOIL Metal Protector to all these rusty spots. That stuff is amazing, and I'll do a coat now. We'll see what it's like throughout the winter. Maybe have to do some more, but this is the stuff here. There is an MP heavy duty. I'm going to order some soon, but this is the stuff here that I use. I think I also have another new can of this. Yes, I do. I wish I had the heavy duty stuff, but I don't. So this stuff will be good. And I will also, like I said, grease the pivot on that as well. You'll see me do other videos about AMSOIL MP. Like I said, I really, really like this stuff. I mean, it's amazing the work it does. It's way better than anything like WD-40 or a spray like that. This stuff is top premium stuff. So you got to shake it well, and I'll be putting some grease in here too. But anyways, I'm just going to spray any rust spots on here because it does protect everything. Protects all your metal, your steel. I even put this stuff on the front of my trailer. So like the front of your trailer gets beat up, so any rusty spots there, to prevent it from rusting, I coat it with this stuff. I'll pick it up. We'll do underneath as well. Now we'll hit some spots that we didn't get here. Put it on pretty liberal. Don't be afraid to use it. It's worth it. You can always order more. Get everything with it. Even the bottom of the blade here. Any spots you see rust. Not only does it protect metal, it's an excellent lubricant. So I'm going to let this blade here bask in all that AMSOIL MP, let it soak into the metal. So then I'm going to take some grease here, put it on that pivot, get it ready for winter, and it won't be long, it'll be snowing. And you'll see in an upcoming video what else I'm going to use this for. I'll leave a link down below in this video where you can get some MP. Now I'm going to add some AMSOIL Water Resistant Grease to this pivot. So what I do is I just squirt it down in here, and then I'll spin the blade each way and run the grease through there. It's going to happen when I plow anyway, so I'll show you what I mean. So you can just, with this click and go too, you just step on this pedal and you can run the grease through, which you can see it's not really going through. So I just take my finger and I run that grease down in there. And now you can pivot it. That grease will work its way back and forth. Give her a shot in there. And you just pivot back and forth. Moves so much better now. You know, it's a good feeling when you can take care of your own stuff, maintain it, and keep it running smooth for whatever you need it for. I just checked the oil in this thing. I don't have a lot of miles on it, but I do want to change the oil in the diffs. That'll be another video coming up soon on the CF Moto C-Force. I'll also leave a link below for the AMSOIL Water Resistant Grease as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.